So in this video, we're going to be covering the diaphragm, and we're going to be looking at the bottom side of it. Um, I guess it makes more sense if you think of it as like the diaphragm being a skirt. You're going to look up the skirt. Okay, this is the view that you're going to be looking up at it. So let's go through the numbers. So number one, that's going to be that central tendon. Okay, and we remember when we looked at the pericardium of the heart, right? And that central tendon connecting into the diaphragm. This is it from the bottom side. That's where it is. Number two, that is going to be our psoas major. And then if we come lateral to that, that's going to be our quadratus lumborum. The psoas muscle is going to be connecting in to the lumbar uh, uh, vertebrae, whereas the QL, it's connecting in along those ribs. Number four, that is going to be our esophageal hiatus. Hiatus meaning just an opening or hole. And so we have this hiatus right here being the esophageal hiatus. Number five, that's going to be our aortic hiatus. And look at that. There's our celiac trunk, which we've talked about a couple times now. Number nine being the aorta. And then number six, that is going to be our uh, cable hiatus, caval hiatus, however you want to say it. It's CAVAL. Number eight is going to be that inferior vena cava, or IVC. You might have seen it that way. Seven is just the diaphragm, all the way along here. The aorta right here is supplying blood through the inferior phrenics. And that's really it for this video. I mean, you can label that xiphoid process right there. But that's it for this one. If you want to see a page similar to this, look at page 176 in the textbook. But that's really it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If this was helpful, please like it, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.